Here's the octopus here. And take the eyes out. Gotta take the eyeballs out. The beak's still in there too. Gonna weigh them in. And here's the beak. Kind of like a parrot beak. It'll throw in the GoPro. Yeah. So, alright, so here's the octopus. We're going to weigh it out and see what we have here. But if you look, people I got it from, they didn't really prepare it because it's still got its eyeballs in there. So we're going to want to take them out. Not with that knife, because that knife sucks. Now we'll get to that a little bit later. Here we go. So rip the eyeballs out. And then we got the beak. That's nice. The beak is much like a parrot beak. So you don't want that in the salad. So yank that sucker out. Weigh it up, make sure this puppy's on 0. Now 4 pounds. Yeah, about 6 ounces. 4 pounds, 6 ounces. Alright, we're boiling the water right now. When we bring that up to a boil, we're going to dunk him in there. Keep him in for 2.5 minutes. Let it bring up to a boil again. No, excuse me. We're going to dunk him in here. The boil's going to go away. We're going to bring it up to a boil again. And then we're going to let it go for 2.5 minutes. And then we're going to pull it out. Curls right up when you dump it in. Bring this thing back to a boil. Let it go for 2.5 minutes. Maybe a little bit longer. Then we go into the bake mode. And hold them down a little bit with this mixer. And boil out for 2 minutes. About a minute into it already. Now it's time to pull them out. Throw them in a little cool water. They don't look cooked enough. I'm going to let them go a little bit longer. Maybe another minute. Yeah, come out now. Fuck you. Don't dunk your hands in the boiling water.